I'm going to tell you how to export your ChatGPT conversation. If you want to save a copy of your chats, the process is quick and easy. First, you just have to open ChatGPT and sign in to your account. Next, click your profile icon and then select Settings. Go to Data Control. Here, click Export Data. Then confirm your request. OpenAI will prepare a copy of your ChatGPT data and send a download link to the email address associated with your account. Once you receive the email, click the download link and save the zip file to your device. Inside the zip file, you'll find your exported conversations and other account data. And that's it. That's how to export a ChatGPT conversation. Thanks for watching and make sure to subscribe for more useful content.